Recording myself with Angelika. Today I will solve my first internal question paper of computer-oriented numerical methods of set D, question number 2. And now the question number 2 is write an algorithm for finding a square root of 5 using fixed point iteration method. Now from this question, the equation is x square minus 5 is equals to 0. Hence f of x is equals to x square minus 5 and the f dash of x is equals to 2x or g of x is equals to x minus x square by x square minus 5 divided by 2 of x. So we can split this equation into 1 by 2 bracket open x plus 5 divided by x bracket close. We can take the initial guess x0 is equals to 2. Then solve until the change between the equation is less than predefined tolerance. So the algorithm is firstly we start an algorithm and in the second step we define function f of x and in the third step we define g of x which is obtained from f of x is equals to 0 such that x is equals to g of x and x g dash of x is less than 1. And in the fourth step we choose initial guess x0, tolerable error e and maximum iteration n. In the sixth step we calculate x1 by putting the value of x0 in the g of x, and in the seventh step we increment iteration counter by 1, and in the eighth step we check if a step is greater than n, then print not convergent and go to the step 12, and 12 stop this algorithm, and otherwise we go to the step 10, that is check the condition if fx1 is greater than error, then go to the step 6, that is again calculate x1 is equals to g of x0, otherwise go to the step 11, that is display x1 as a root, and we display the root is give the output of Gauss serial algorithm for this matrix. Now from this matrix we can say that 10 into x minus 7y plus 3z plus 5k is equals to 6 and minus 6x plus 8y and minus z minus 4k is equals to 5, 3x plus y plus 4z plus 11k is equals to 2 and 5x minus 9y minus 2z plus 4k is equals to 7. From this equation we get the value of x, y, z and k. In the first iteration, we put the value of x, y, z, k is equals to 0. For iteration 1, the value of x1 is equals to 0.6000 and y1 is equals to 1.0750 and z1 is equals to minus 1.0250 and k1 is equals to 2.9062. And in the second iteration we put the value of x1 in x1, y1, z1, k1 in the equations, then we get the value of x2 as minus 1.2981 and y2 is equals to 0.9764, z2 is equals to minus 7.950 and k2 is equals to 1.8221. And in the third equation we put the value of x2, y2, z2, k2, then we get the value of x3 as 1.2550 and y3 is equals to 1.5396 and z3 is equals to minus 6.9408 and k3 is equals to 0.1513. And in the fourth iteration we put the value of x3 in the equations, then we get the value of x4 as 1.5438 and y4 is equals to 0.947 and z4 is equals to minus 2.0587 and k4 is equals to 1.